Studio Rolls-Royce Phantom. Imagine this. The world is loud. Everyone is rushing. Everyone is trying to be seen. And then, silence arrives. This is not just a car. This is not transportation. This is Rolls-Royce Phantom. When a Phantom appears on the road, people don't just look. They feel it. The iconic front grille stands like a royal crown. And above it, the Spirit of Ecstasy. Not a logo. A symbol of command. This car doesn't demand attention. Attention stops and waits. Rolls-Royce Phantom is built for those who never need to raise their voice. Because true power is never loud. Here, speed is not for showing off. Here, presence is everything. Under the hood lives a 6.75-liter V12 engine. But here's the truth. You barely hear it. Not because it lacks power, but because Phantom believes perfection should be silent. 0 to 60 happens effortlessly. Yet time feels like it slows down. Step inside. There is no plastic here. Only hand-selected wood. No artificial leather. Only the finest hides, stitched by craftsmen who have spent decades perfecting a single detail. Every button, every surface, every line is touched by human hands. This isn't mass production. This is artistry. And then look up. Sparkles the Starlight headliner sparkles. More than 1,300 tiny fiber-optic stars spread across the roof, designed to mirror the night sky. You can even choose your own constellation. Because in a Phantom, you are not a passenger. You are royalty. The Phantom doesn't react to the road. It anticipates it. Cameras scan the surface ahead, adjusting the suspension in real time, creating what Rolls-Royce calls the magic carpet ride. Bumps disappear. Noise fades away. Only calm remains. This is why the Phantom is chosen by world leaders, billionaires, and icons. Not because they need to impress, but because they already have. When you arrive in a Phantom, you don't make an entrance. You arrive. Rolls-Royce once said, "Strive for perfection in everything you do." The Phantom is that philosophy, made real. It doesn't shout. It doesn't chase trends. It simply exists above them. So the next time you see a Rolls-Royce Phantom, remember this. It is not a car. It is a statement. A statement made by those who never need to explain their success. Musical note: Rolls-Royce Phantom. Luxury that doesn't speak. It whispers.